Up here, I see daily highs. I doubt we'll make it up to beginning of the month highs today. I think we're definitely going to want to wipe this all out in the next week, maybe next 2 weeks. I can't see us getting to this one as well today. So I'm looking for, if you look at the 30 minute, I'm looking for a reaction off of this daily high. And then I'm not going to target these lows. I think it's more realistic to probably target some lows in here. I just want to grab some of this 30 minute, 1 hour liquidity zones. So right now I'm just waiting for a reversal. I mean, we're still pushing. I think we're probably still going to push until we get up to here. But then I'm looking for a reversal, even just to back, probably down here. What is this? Yeah, like market open. So we'll see. I mean, this right here that I have as a data high, but I'm trading the micros because I'm only on a 50K account. I can't be trading, you know, one contract on the Nasdaq or the S&P going the wrong direction would just crush me. So I have to trade minis, but there's a data high here, 830, but there isn't that data high did not push as high on either the Nasdaq or the S&P. So I don't really know what to make of that. I mean, there seems, as of right now, to be a reaction off of this data high, but there isn't on the other charts. I'm still just waiting for that break of structure, honestly. I mean, it's nice to see a reaction off of this because whatever this is, it is reacting off of it. Um, but we'll see. I still really think, okay, we just inverse, we just inverse this fair value gap. Okay, seeing a little break to the downside is definitely what I want to see right now. So that's great. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, because I mean, there's low level liquidity, I mean, right here. So, yes, we could just easily bull run, but I don't, man, maybe it's looking like that though. I mean, it really is definitely a bullish market because where was it? Where was I looking at? Eight right here, right here. I was getting excited over here. I mean, there wasn't any like main structure, but I saw this right here inverse this fair value gap. And I was like, okay, we might be making our move down here. I was looking at the 5 minute, boom, didn't matter. Just wipe that all out. Continuation of the uptrend. Um, so it's not looking too great. I mean, I don't really want to buy. Like as much as I think it's gonna get up here, I would have liked to enter the move a little bit farther down. Um, just because I mean I think buyer momentum will tire out. I mean, it was tough because my original entry, I mean, I would have probably been around here if I wanted to catch this move, but I didn't see if I saw a rejection off this fair value gap right here, I might have taken it, but a rejection, retracement to 50%, and then that push up. But because because I didn't get a rejection from here, I wasn't interested. Um, Oh man, now it's just I wanted to get an early trade in, but it doesn't seem like that's going to happen just because I'm pretty certain we're going to target these daily highs, unfortunately. And then probably afternoon New York session going to take out some of this liquidity. I mean, heck, I'm okay with this. I mean, for now, just because it's currently building up more levels of more low level liquidity. So if it wants to keep moving up, then we just kind of what's the opposite of a bull run? Bearish run. bearish run down and just grab out. That's not what it is. But just to grab all this. So I'm definitely just gonna just be patient here. I mean, I'm so tempted just to click the buy button. I mean, old me from like a few weeks ago would click the buy button to try to hit this. But I don't know. Because even right here, I mean, dude, that's like buy the pip. Oh, that's barely a rich. I mean, yeah, I could have taken it here too. I don't know. I feel like my selling bias today is might be affecting some of these entries here, but come on, like I would like to have seen just a little bit cleaner of a rejection from this right here. Like that literally went to the pip. That's like to the Oh my goodness. That is so cheeky. Yeah, and then bull run. Okay. I gotta plug in my computer though. It's about to die. Oh, all right, recharging. What's going on here? Okay. Man, we're definitely going up to grab that. Like, oops, I didn't mean to click that. I mean, come on, like let's see all this low like it's gonna have to come back down and grab it. It's just a matter of time for me. And I'm currently on vacation. So if this move doesn't happen in the next 15 minutes, it's not gonna happen today, but I'll be happy. I mean, for me, it's a win that I didn't lose money, and it'll be a win even if I come back later and I see that it did reverse off this and clear this all out. So I'm already winning. It'll already be a winning day if I can just not do that. So currently I'm on my road to try to get this 50K funded account. I'm sitting at 1.5. Okay, I went in super aggressive to start and I made some good trades and I made some not so good trades. So then I was like, no, I can't be trading the S&P and the NASDAQ. So I dropped down to the what are these minis? Like the micros, not that because S&P is a mini. Yeah, so I'm trading micros right now because one contract, I mean, I'm not trying to lose my strategy isn't to be super aggressive. I'm trying to just so I can keep my psychology right. But I'm trading don't let myself lose more than $200 in a day. And if I get to that point, I click this button right here and I lock myself out for the day. One of actually the best features of TopStep in my opinion. So let's go. We're entering this zone. I would love to see a reaction off of it. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's frustrating because I knew it was going to do that. I just didn't get an entry signal. And, if I had more capital or if I like built up the funded, I might have taken it off this. But because I just don't have that yet, it's not like I didn't see the I mean, I know there was that what was that? That 1 minute like buy the pip rejection of this fair value gap. But that for me, yes, I could have taken that, but oh man. It was just a little too I might have missed it, but it's okay. That's crazy. Like, come on. I looked at that and I was like, yep, it rejected it, but yeah, I don't think it did. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not even, I guess that's crushing me. I'm not gonna look at that. Just gonna ignore that. So we got another 1 minute fair value gap over here, here to here. Boom. If we can break, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Let's see that 5 minute. Dude, like, I get we're on a bull run right now, and I know it happened. Like, it could do this for the next, hour, but we haven't seen any retracement. And since the market moves off liquidity, I would like to believe, dude, don't tell me. If we get the move now before wiping out these daily high, did we hit these daily high? Okay, I'm a little new to this. I'm still trying to figure this out. I mean, yeah, right. This is the day. And that's the high. If anything, I put it a little too low. There's the high. Man, I mean, I'll take a sell off of it if I see what I want to see, but it just come on. Come on. Come on. We can break structure here on the 1 minute and validate this fair value gap here. I mean, this is the most red momentum we've seen so far. All right, let's invalidate it. Let's invalidate it. Let's invalidate it. You know what? I'm already gonna set up this fair value gap because I feel so confident. I feel so confident that this is gonna be a red candle. Okay, come on, come on. I just don't like that we didn't grab those highs. But maybe it wants to. It might have to dip back down into here. Hopefully not just down to here. All right. That's good. I like that. Okay. Now we're going into this 5 minute fair value gap right there. Okay, so we did get a fair value gap here. Now we're pushing into this. This is great. This is a really good sign right here. This is exactly what I wanted to see. And that right there just broke. I'm not doing this. This is by the pip. That broke structure. We broke 1 minute structure. That's good. I would like to see. I mean, I know I said I'm waiting for more confluences, but oh man, come on. If we could just dip back up in here and then push down again, I'll take it. Okay, so we got another one. We got another fair value gap here, and we're in the process of creating another bull. Hopefully this stays, but yeah, we got another one here. Let's see if we want to reject off this. I would like to see. I know this is one. I would like to see this one be taken out, but yep. Okay, come on. One about a. Yep, come on. This is exactly what I wanted to see. I'm selling. Stops above this high. Let's target these lows right here. Is that a little ambitious? I know it was a little early. I would like to see that candle did reject that though. Okay, so we rejected this fair value. I know there was one here and it did. No, I mean that could have we might have rejected both of them. Okay, I feel great about this. This was a great trade. I'm good with this one. I know there's been a lot of bullish momentum here. I mean, yes, I know we could probably get up here and wipe that out. I'm really glad we didn't validate this. And I think we just barely didn't validate that. I just think we need to push down before we go back up again. Like I don't think we're gonna just. I mean, we could go wipe these out right now and then head down, but I don't know. I don't think so. We didn't even clear out. Like you look at all this. I mean, I get the we're probably gonna go up there, but like, man, look at all this. Look at all those chickens. I mean, I could put my stops above this because that wouldn't validate my trade if we broke this fair value gap. But I'm just afraid of a little bit of a wick up here. I have my stops above there, and I'm okay with losing, as I said, 200 in a day on the funded. I know I'm being very conservative on like a on this funded account, but oh man, come on. The only reason I don't feel 100% confident about this trade, like 100% confident about this going down, is that we didn't clear out this daily um liquidity. We didn't hit that daily. Way back drawing liquidity. If we did go all the way up there, I would feel very good about this. Like this is exactly what I want to see on the 1 minute to enter a trade. It's just we didn't clear out that look, but I hope it doesn't. Oh my goodness, we're going straight into that fair value gap. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. Because we low-key dipped into here. Continue to move upward. Yeah, it's not good. I mean, I get like we could have bought off this, but I mean, I also had a very, you know, that right there is a very, we invalidated that fair value gap. I mean, let me see if I go like this. Where is it? Yeah, if sellers come in, it needs to be like right now. Like actually right now. We're right above that 50%, so it's a good time to, we're good bang for buck. I mean, you need some momentum though. I don't like these little, like all these little, see, like I'm not liking this price movement. There we go. Oh, you're right. You're all good. I'm in a trade, but yeah, we're s- we're seeing it's gonna go in the right direction. It's not looking too. I entered off of a fair value gap being invalidated, but I wanted it to go up and take out like an old daily draw on liquidity, and it didn't do that. So I entered. I thought I was gonna. I was like, okay, I was pretty sure that it was gonna go up there and do that. But then I saw the 1 minute reversal. But that's the only. I was literally telling, like, saying that the only reason I don't feel like if I would feel 100% on this trade if it did go up and grab that. But it's like it didn't. But we're still seeing, It still looks like a reversal, but I think we'll want to grab liquidity though before we go up and do that. All right, if we can, this candle can close like this, that would be huge. Okay, that's good. That's good. We didn't quite break structure here, but that's great. If I lose this trade, I'd lose 77. If I win this trade, I'd win 325. Come on, if we can push past these previous lows, that would be huge. Come on, close. Close. Okay, this is looking really good now. I'm at 40 right now. 42. Now that I'm looking at the price, but okay, this was a huge close. Oh man, that is massive. That's exactly what I wanted to see there. That is huge. Man, I still would have liked to see this taken out. I'm still thinking about that, but hopefully it doesn't bite me in the butt. Question is, do we want to come? Yeah, I think we want to come down here. I mean, my take profit isn't even like Asian session or London session lows. London session lows were right. Where were they? Yeah, London session lows were right here, and they never even got taken out. So I'm not even asking for that. I just wanted to hit the like session is open like 8:30 at 9. Market open. We have a tiny fair value gap here. Yeah, I can't even draw that. It's so all right. I'm setting and forgetting now. I'd watch it, but I want us to go on our walk. So I'm on vacation right now, and I said I would have I only had till 10:30, so it made its move before then. As long as I mean, we might get stuck. We might get stopped out on this. We might not, though. We might not. I mean, we did reject very, very cleanly off of this 5 minute fair value gap. Very cleanly. We also rejected off this fair. See, this is I'm okay. I'm liking this 1 minute downtrend more than I'm liking this 5 minute fair value gap. This is the first time we've ever even seen a red candle since 9:45 this morning. I know that's not something to take a trade off of, but I'm liking this one. We haven't seen a 1 minute shift in structure in quite some time, and this is a very clean 1 minute shift in structure, which I do feel very good about. I think we are gonna take this out. It just might take like 30 minutes. So that being said, I'm gonna sign off, but I'll come back and let you guys know or let myself know if this hits take profit. I like this rejection here. This was really good rejection off this fair value gap. Again, I'm liking it more. I like it that this rejected the 5 and now we're kind of going back into that 5 minute. I really think this wants to get validated. Again, I just think this has been such a big, it's like we need to take liquidity out. I mean, it's not the market can't move up without it taking this out. So again, I think this could be a little generous. like a little bit too ambitious. But with such a big move like this, I don't think it just wants to dip back into here. I really think it wants to come back down here. So we'll see if this plays out. This will either be a great trade or not so good trade. We'll see. But if I lose, I'm gonna lose 77. And if all my trades I'm losing 77 to win 325, I can lose a good amount before I win. And I did feel good about this 1 minute shift of structure. All right, so I came back a little bit later. This is my recap of the trade. We got pretty severely stopped out right here. We were up, we broke. So this is, man. So right here, we got that 1 minute break of structure. We then on the 5 minute, we got this beautiful invalidation of this fair value gap right here. So I was thinking, man, this is great, great entry. We're gonna go down, take out these lows. There's liquidity all the way down here. I wasn't even asking for it to clear all this. I was had my take profit like right here, I'm pretty sure. But I just it's funny because in the video, the first video I did, I was literally saying, "Oh, it's probably gonna want to come take this daily, um, grab liquidity on this daily." I mean, this is the 5 minute, but here, if I go to the daily, we have right there daily high that we wicked into. So I'm a little disappointed in myself because I definitely entered a little prematurely there. I mean, I kept saying, "Oh, I would love this trade. This trade would be perfect if we were selling off of a confirmation or not a confirmation, a support zone. Whether that support be 1 hour structure, 4 hour structure, highs and lows, or liquidity session highs or lows." But I was kind of in that no man's land, and I think I just got out right here. I was kind of in no man's land. I just got excited about seeing a break of structure. Um, so I mean, unfortunately, so as you can see right here, I'm personally locked out for 2 hours and 57 minutes. So when I take a losing trade, at least to kind of fix my psychology until I have no desire to want to re-enter if I lose a trade, but until I am able to successfully lose a trade and not want to re-enter, I've been locking myself out for the rest of the day. So as you can see here, I took a loss of $77, um, which we'll get that back tomorrow. I mean, hopefully, well, maybe that's not the goal, but hopefully we will. The 76, I said I can risk probably 150 a trade. So tomorrow, I think if everything looks really good, great setup, I'm gonna be okay with risking a little bit more. Um, but yeah, that's my first the recap. I'm just trying to make these videos to hold myself accountable and to be able to see the things that I could do better and be very honest with myself when I'm in the trades. Like, okay, am I actually seeing the confluences I want to see, or am I just entering off emotion? So this will definitely help me enter off confluences that I know I should be entering off of, which here I didn't enter off a confluence I know I should enter off of. But that's why I'm doing these videos. So tomorrow I'll definitely come back a little bit sharper and um, today, I think I just entered. I loved my entry. Like my entry point was great as far as like the break of structure on the 1 minute. I could have waited for this 5 minute break of structure. If we were to take out these lows, this would still be valid. We'd have this break here. We would pull back in here probably the 50%, or test a fair value gap if there was one in there, and then take in the sell. So my entry was great. I just didn't enter off of a good strong support, and I think I had a very strong bias to the downside, which I mean, there looking at this, you would kind of just assume this is going up, especially since we have been down recently because of the tariff news and whatnot, and we got to kind of assume that the market does want to rebalance and kind of get back up to these highs. But I just thought as far as like being able to push a little bit higher, that it would want to come down a little bit, and it probably is going to later today and into Asian and London session tonight. So I think tomorrow, I mean, this is kind of my plan for tomorrow. I'm going to look for buys. Ideally tonight, I mean, this is gonna suck. This is literally about to just avalanche down, I'm pretty sure. But ideally tonight we take out some of this liquidity, and then have a nice entry tomorrow, to the upside. I'm definitely feeling very bullish. I just since this was like the first, I just wanted to see a little bit more of a pullback here today, and I think I saw all this low resistance liquidity, and I got excited when like if I should have done it off this daily point. But I mean, realistically, I should have just never taken a trade today. I've set myself a very solid rule that I'm only going to trade um 950 ideally because like that first few, bunch of time, a little bit of time in the market is manipulation. Ideally like 5:50 to like 11 is when I'm like okay with like being in or taking a trade. Anything in the afternoon, and I don't know, I just want to be very good at trading one session, so I'm trying to be very consistent in that. And as you can see right here, we kind of had that perfect like 9:50, push up here. Um, so definitely not have too much. Don't let my bias, I guess, get in the way of what I'm trying to do. If I have an idea that kind of gets so, I kind of neglect signs that it does want to keep going up. Um, that I would have been able to enter here if I did do that, and I would have not entered this trade until it got up to here, or probably just not entered it at all because of the timing of it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.